It was in Shivamogga, the gateway to Malanad, the hilly areas where we were yesterday. And we met three candidates. Remember, it's a fight between three families there in Shivamogga. The Yediyurappa family, the Bangarappa family, and now this time the Ishwarappa family as well. Ishwarappa is the rebel candidate of the BJP who's left the party, who's been expelled from the party, but is seeking votes in the name of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. B.S. Yediyurappa's son B.Y. Raghavendra is the incumbent there, and Geeta Shivraj Kumar of the Rajkumar family, the daughter-in-law of the Rajkumar family and daughter of former Chief Minister, late Chief Minister S. Bangarappa, who lost this seat in 2009 to B.Y. Raghavendra, wants to extract her pound of flesh. She wants her vengeance in these elections. I spoke to all three candidates on the campaign trail, and this is what they said. Shivamogga is really home turf for you, no, Raghavendra? It's like the strong point of the family as well as for you here.
Really, sir, really. From this constituency, father elected 8 to 9 times as a MLA and 1 time MP from Shivamogga district. Blessing of our Shivamogga people. Father, they made successful steps and already up to as a national president. Yeah. So blessing of our Shivamogga district. So we are a lot of love regarding this constituency, sir.
You know, you have been working, and I have seen from many years now, almost 2 decades, you've been working closely in this. You are not worried about people like Ishwarappa threatening the control of your control over Shivamogga. You're not worried about that faction fight within BJP in these elections?
Always be thinking about what we did positive issues like regarding constituency development, blessing of Modi ji, blessing of Yediyurappa ji. From last 5 years, especially from both the government, both central and state, we brought lot of development programs for this constituency. So 100% faith about our voters. In this election, our voters thinking about in the interest of nation, not any Congress guarantee or some other issue or XYZ independent candidate, not in this issue.
You're not worried about the faction power? You're not worried about Ishwarappa campaigning as Modi ji's candidate?
Nothing, sir. I have a lot of confidence about our voters, especially Shivamogga constituency, regarding from Udupi district. Indur also comes under this constituency only. Very brilliant voters. They know how to vote in Panchayat, how to vote in Vidhan Sabha, how to vote for Parliament. In the interest of Modi, in the interest of nation, 100% they will bless me in this election, sir.
As you make that statement, sir, the state government, Siddaramaiah and Shiv Kumar are on an aggressive campaign saying empty chombu. They are saying that the central government has given nothing in terms of drought relief, only 3,000 crores when 18,000 crores is asked. What's your response to that?
From last 67 years, they ruled the country. In the time of Indira Gandhi, 2/3 majority in this parliament. Now there is no opposition seat for Congress in the parliament because they gave the chombu for public. That's why our voters kept the Congress in even though there is no opposition seat in parliament. So after that Modi ji's period, make it that chombu converted to Akshaya Patra. Akshaya Patra, you know, in Kannada. Yeah. So
in all languages, Akshaya Patra.
Yeah, good. In Sanskrit also Akshaya Patra. So they converted to like the Akshaya Patra.
Last question: what is the Raghavendra X factor? The special factor in Raghavendra?
Because you know, this is the 4th time I contested for the election. Any public representative in one election to another election, anti-incumbency issues will be rise. But regarding about BJP candidate for your Raganna,
Raganna is what your people call you?
Yes, sir. All our sisters are called for Raganna only. So blessing of my sisters, 100% will reach this goal.
ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರೈತ ನಾಯಕ ದೇವೇಗೌಡರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿ
Ma'am, you're taking on B.S. Yediyurappa's son Raghavendra here. While you're from a highly politically influential and film influential family, they seem to be the powerful political forces on the ground here. Are you nervous about the battle?
Not at all. Not at all. Last elections I stood against his father, and this time it is him. And one more thing is, whatever work I want to do, I concentrate on that, and I don't concentrate on who is there in the front.
So what would be your focus of the campaign in these elections?
Our party should come into power in the center. So how many of us win your MPs from all over India? That makes a difference for Rahul Gandhi to become the Prime Minister.
You don't think that the BJP-JDS alliance, which seems to be on paper having very strong arithmetic, is something that's formidable to beat in a place like Shimoga?
I don't believe in all that. I don't believe in all that because the amount of campaigning we have been doing everywhere, this one is very positive to us. We have covered almost everywhere. Now maybe about 70% we have covered. Panchayat level also we have got. And I see the positive vibes everywhere, and in our meetings women take the 80% place over there. So I'm not scared of anybody, and I'm going to concentrate on the works that has to be done in Shimoga city. And wherever we go, the support is so good, and my father's name carries, and he's there in everybody's heart here.
What is the Geeta, Shivraj Kumar and Shivraj Kumar X factor in these elections?
I think it's the love of the people from Shimoga and our love to them.
Your message, sir.
Because I have been telling everybody that everybody is given a chance. They say first chance. So everybody needs a chance. Till you give the chance, you don't know what they are going to do. So I am telling, as you give chance for everybody, why don't you give chance for my wife this time? A change should come. A new wave should come. Congress come. I'm not giving guarantee to the people, but I give one guarantee for my wife is me. The people. I see that she works for everything, and I'm there behind her.
Along with the Siddaramaiah Shivkumar guarantee, there is also the Shivraj Kumar guarantee, is what you're saying. Like all persistent journalists, I keep saying last question, but I'll put one last question this time. Is this a personal legacy battle for you? Is this a prestige battle? Would you define it that way?
No, I wouldn't say it's only prestige, but my father did lose in the last election. So I would like to make up for it. And then only thing is I'm seeing the love and affection of the people. It's overwhelming here.
Your brother is the sitting MLA from here. He's the minister in charge of the district. So it is in many ways also a personal battle.
Yes, it is a personal battle also. But all of us are fighting it together. It's not just me. It's me, my brother, my husband, and all the local leaders and our Padravati and Sangameshwar. He's been, every time I've come here, he's been with me, helping us all the time. So I would like to
So
thank
the party and the family all together in this battle against the B.S. Yediyurappa stronghold of Shivaga. आपका लड़ने के वजह से विल द वोट्स नॉट बी स्प्लिट? बीजेपी का वोट स्प्लिट होगा तो बीजेपी के लिए ही नुकसान होगा.
बीजेपी का वोट तो नहीं स्प्लिट होता है. मेजर 70% वर्कर्स वोटर्स मेरे साथ हैं. उसके साथ साथ कांग्रेस में भी वो कौन कैंडिडेट को दिया है उन सबको कैंडिडेट के ऊपर गुस्सा है. वो बोल रहा है वो नहीं जीतेगा, इसलिए कांग्रेस वोट भी मुझे आ रहा है. वही तरफ से जेडीयू में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. वो जेडीयू वाला, कांग्रेस वाला, जेडीयू वाला, बीजेपी वाला सभी मुझे वोट दे रहा है. इसलिए मेरा क्या चिंता है, वो चिंता को सभी सपोर्ट कर रहा है. इसलिए मैं यहाँ से डेफिनेटली जीतूंगा.
आप बहुत साल से यू हैव बीन वन ऑफ दोस पीपल हुज हेल्प्ड बिल्ड द बीजेपी इन कर्नाटका. आर यू हर्ट अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट द पार्टी डिनाइड योर सन अ टिकट? आर यू हर्ट अबाउट?
No, not only that one. That is also one reason. Only not only that one. because Yadurappa ji informed my son, definitely I will give you the ticket and I will tour throughout the Haveri district. But वो मुझे बहुत धोखा दिया है. सिर्फ मुझे धोखा नहीं, सभी हिंदुत्व वालों को धोखा दिया है. सीटी रवि, वो नेशनल जनरल सेक्रेटरी था, उसको धोखा दिया है. अनंत कुमार हेगड़े, वो भी हिंदुत्ववादी है, उनको धोखा दिया है. और दलित कुमार कटील, प्रताप सिम्हा और बसवनगौड़ पाटिल यत्नाड़, कौन कौन हिंदुत्व के बारे में काम कर रहा है, उन सबको साइडलाइन कर रहा है. इसलिए उन सबको तो ओपनली नहीं बोल रहा है. मैं ओपनली आया है, मैं ओपनली कंटेस्ट किया है. सभी हिंदुत्व वाला मेरे साथ है, इसलिए सबको ईश्वरप्पा जीतना है, इस सबका इच्छा है.
You are saying Yadurappa is anti-Hindutva.
No, I don't want to say all those things. Yadurappa's son, he should become next chief minister. That is, those who are ability to get the chief minister post, वो सभी sideline हो रहा है.
Okay, so you are saying dynasty politics.
Yeah, 100%. Yes, नरेंद्र मोदी जी dynasty politics को directly oppose कर रहा है. So at the same time, मैं कर्नाटक में ये काम कर रहा हूँ.
But my final question, sir. Those who are critics of yours will say that you are also seeking ticket for your son. So this is also dynasty politics.
The कर्नाटक में not only सिर्फ कर्नाटक में ही सारे देश में भाजपा एक कुटुंब को एक सीट वो फाइनल हो गया है. हमारे घर में कोई अभी एमएलए नहीं, एमपी नहीं, कोई भी नहीं. इसलिए मैं मेरे बेटे को पूछा इसमें क्या गलत है. सब इसको मेरा पार्टी का ओपिनियन क्या है, एक सूचना भी मैं अभी तक सारे जिंदगी में वो नहीं छोड़ा है.